Welcome to Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from emerging megatrends and disruptive technologies to evolving customer expectations and innovative business models. Today, we're exploring how organizations can capitalize on the next generation of AI, Agentic AI, to gain a competitive edge. From predictive analytics and content generation to fully autonomous, goal-directed AI systems, the landscape is evolving at lightning speed. By the end of this episode, you'll understand the key megatrends, growth challenges, emerging opportunities, and new strategies that top companies are using to win in the age of autonomous intelligence.
Let's start with a quick reality check. AI isn't what it used to be. The early wave of artificial intelligence was largely task-oriented. Analytics, predictive models, content generation. Powerful? Absolutely. Autonomous? Not yet. Now, we're entering the era of agentic AI, systems that can perceive, reason, learn, and act on their own. Imagine self-optimizing production lines in manufacturing, real-time AI trading in finance, or personalized preventive healthcare interventions. These systems don't just follow instructions. They understand context, make decisions, and solve complex, dynamic problems that were previously reserved for human expertise. This shift represents a massive opportunity for enterprises to innovate, differentiate, and scale in ways never thought possible.
So, what's driving this AI revolution? We have identified a few megatrends every enterprise should prepare for. Enhanced agent integration for seamlessly connecting multiple AI agents across business functions through application programming interfaces, pre-built accelerators, and semantic enrichment. Sovereign AI that prioritizes regional compliance, data security, and ethical AI governance. Holistic toolkits for combining large and small language models, verticalized AI frameworks, niche applications, and orchestration tools into end-to-end solutions. Advanced security protocols for tackling threats like deepfakes, prompt injections, data poisoning, shadow AI, and autonomous malware. Cross-industry collaboration among data management vendors, security providers, cloud services, etc., to enhance innovation, talent, and technology adoption. These trends aren't just buzzwords. They're driving forces that shape the next wave of competitive advantage.
As agentic AI scales, enterprises can secure growth by prioritizing strategic imperatives like leveraging disruptive technologies to build scalable AI toolkits and orchestration platforms for multi-agent collaboration, combating geopolitical chaos by localizing AI infrastructure, thwarting internal challenges and optimizing the data value chain to unlock predictive insights and maximize ROI, embracing innovative business models that facilitate complex problem-solving through advanced reasoning capabilities like chain-of-thought prompt engineering, investing in emerging technologies like LLMs, SLMs, and verticalized AI models, upholding ethical, transparent, and regionally aligned AI practices in alignment with transformative megatrends, forging collaborative partnerships to maximize AI security and combat adversarial attacks with federated learning, explainable AI, and red teaming, focusing on innovative trust and safety practices like content moderation, trust scoring, and fraud prevention for differentiation amid rising competitive intensity. The question then is, which growth processes and partnership strategies will help your teams move beyond process automation to autonomous intelligence?
Going forward, this is how different industries are bringing agentic systems to life. In manufacturing, agentic AI can self-optimize production lines, reduce downtime, and minimize waste. In finance, AI agents can execute real-time trading decisions, adapting to market shifts faster than any human could. In healthcare, predictive AI can deliver personalized interventions before a condition worsens, truly moving from reactive to preventive care. In energy and utilities, autonomous agents can balance grid loads, forecast demand, and reroute power, making renewable integration and energy distribution far more efficient. In transportation and mobility, autonomous systems can coordinate fleets, optimize delivery routes on the fly, and even negotiate traffic bottlenecks, cutting costs and emissions while improving safety. Together, these advances show that agentic AI is not confined to theory. It's already reshaping how entire industries operate and evolve.
Now, let's zoom in on what this really means for business leaders. The shift to agentic AI isn't just about technology adoption. It's about rethinking organizational design. Think of AI agents not as tools, but as digital colleagues. They can monitor processes, flag risks, make proactive recommendations, and even execute on certain tasks with minimal oversight. This raises an important leadership question. How do you structure teams when some of your employees are intelligent, autonomous systems? For instance, in customer service, companies are experimenting with hybrid workforces where AI agents resolve routine inquiries and escalate only the nuanced, emotionally sensitive cases to human agents. The result? Faster service, higher satisfaction, and more empowered employees who can focus on problem solving instead of repetitive work. But here's the main takeaway. The organizations seeing the biggest gains aren't just deploying AI tools in silos. They're orchestrating ecosystems of agents across business functions, finance, operations, HR, marketing, that can talk to each other, exchange insights, and co-create solutions. That's where the exponential value emerges.
So where do we go from here? The road to autonomous intelligence isn't without challenges. Businesses must navigate issues like data privacy, workforce readiness, and the cultural shift required to trust AI-driven decisions. But history shows us that every major technological leap, whether it was the rise of the internet, the cloud, or mobile computing, came with its share of growing pains. The leaders who leaned in early, experimented, and scaled responsibly were the ones who set the pace for their industries. Here's a practical takeaway. Start small, scale fast. Begin by deploying agentic AI in one high-impact use case, like fraud detection or personalized marketing, and measure the outcomes. Use those wins to build confidence, refine your governance model, and expand to other functions.
Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's AI Advantage Growth Podcast. If you want to unlock actionable insights and strategies to scale AI in your enterprise, or access our opportunity analytics, competitive benchmarking tools, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email us at hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth-ready.